Hi everyone, welcome to the House of Paper. Today we are going to make a crane. Have you ever heard of any stories related to paper cranes? There's an old tale that if one folded 1,000 cranes, one's wish would come true. It makes them popular gifts for special friends, especially as a token of love. Why don't you try folding 1,000 paper cranes from today to get your wish? We have a guest on our program today who was very popular for folding paper cranes in his school days. Thank you for coming, Mr. O. Shall we start then? Fold the paper in half along diagonal line. Fold the paper in half into a triangle. Fold the top flap in half. Put the fingers between the layers of the top flap and flatten it into a square. Turn the paper over and do the same thing with the bottom flap. After folding the paper into a rhombus, place the opening towards the bottom. Bring the right and the left bottom edges to meet the middle crease. Flip it over and do the same thing. Fold down the upper triangle part. Fold the upper triangle part down to the opposite side once more. Unfold until it becomes a square. Pull the bottom corner up above the top corner and fold along the creases you made. Repeat on the other side. Bring the right and the left edges to the center and do the same thing with the other side. Fold the right side of the top layer to lay on the left side, like turning the page of a book. Flip it over and do the same thing. Fold up the bottom part for both sides. Fold the right side of the top layer to lay on the left side, like turning the page of a book, and repeat on the other side. Bend down the head with a long beak. Open the wings. Ta-da! Here we have a purple crane. How was paper folding today with Mr. O? It was a little bit hard, but it will get easier if you make few more cranes. See you next time. Bye!